Today I'm going to be replicating the flow from the demo. So first we have to go into the purchase receipts module, and from here we'll be going to add purchase. And when we add the purchase, we want to include our supplier. So we have our general supplier here, and we also want to include what we'll be getting. So in this example, I'll be doing the Tiger Crystal beer cans, and we'll be increasing the quantity accordingly. We'll leave the status as received, and at the bottom we can click submit. And then once we click submit at the top, you could see our purchase receipt go through 10 cans, the unit price and amount. And then to complete the flow, what we have to do is go down into reporting here. We want to go into inventory, view inventory in and out. Then we'll go into show forms. We'll adjust the date to the date of our receipt, as well as put in our quantity. So we got the Tiger beer cans here. We'll select search. And then here you could see the Tiger beer cans with the QR code, barcode that you could scan and access it with all its information, its unit cost, the case, warehouse name, details, and so forth. And you could print all these out. This was the flow that was replicated within the Cuscen small business model last week. And that's how you complete the entire flow. Thank you for listening to my demo.